How to download Mp3Juice app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up your Play Store application on the device and then on the search bar type for Mp3Juice. So just type in and select the option. Now you can see a lot of options over here. You can scroll down and find the option of Mp3Juice app and then tap on the Mp3Juice app, then select on install to get it downloaded on your device. Now wait until it gets loaded and installed on your device. Now after it gets installed, it will lead you for the security scans and let it pass. Now after getting it scanned, you can just go for your app in the Mp3Juice. Make sure you give permission for photos and media as well for the application. And you can tap on open the app. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.